Hi, I'm CaptainSalsa, and today I will show you a simple method for the men's turn. But first, you need to know that you can use the different direction for the basic step. If you are medium and advanced dancer, this lesson is for you. And do not forget to like and subscribe my channel and share this video for you and other friends, because this lesson is important for you. Normally, you used to it for this pattern of basic step 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, or 2, 3, 6, 7. But I will give you Puerto Rican style, which will give me much more flavor. Look, this is like that: 1, cross, 2, back, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1. It's the same on 1. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Liana? Hi, Liana.
Hi.
Okay, normally you dance like that on 2. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, you pulling, 2, 3, you catching, 6, 7. But always you have problem, if you are medium especially, with the catching her hand, and woman, oh, your leading is too strong, or man on woman just hit you during the crossbody like that. 1, 2, 3, and because she don't have place and is too far from me. But this pattern will help you. Look how I start. First on 2. 1, 2, cross, 3, 5, 6, 7, and we follow with this pattern, and it's awesome feeling. Now, crossbody lead, 6, 7. Look how she will do. First, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. She will go diagonal, 7. I just open her door, diagonal, and now I can turn easily without nothing. This direction, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, and now without nothing, I just pivot on left, step, this is finished, because she has a lot of place. On 1 will be the same. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, first base, crossbody, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, nothing, 7. I lead her from all my body. First on 2. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7. I switch to on 1. Crossbody. Men's turn. Can you explain where you have place for your hips? 1, 2, 3. Look, a lot of space. 6, 7. Now. Ooh. 2, 3, 6, 7. She follow with me. 2, 3, 6, 7. 2, 3, 6, 7. 2, 3. It's the same pattern if you dance on 1. It's the same. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Look, 1, and now 3, 5, 6, 7. Cross, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. My turn, 1. And then she has a lot of time, because this diagonal, yes, direction give her possibility to spend more time and to create more volume. If you are more advanced, touch the tumbao rhythm, first main rhythm, because we'll give you much more flavor. Means catch the 8N, 2, 3, 4N, 6, 7. If you dance on 2, focus on 2, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8 and 4 and. Look, 8 and 2, 3, 4 and 6 and 7. 8 and 2, 3, 4 and 6 and 7. Kingi, ko, a, kingi, aki, ka, ko, igi, 2, 3, kungu, aki, ki, kungu. If you are a little advanced, touch the mambo means I am a leader. I want dance to front because I will drive with natural way of song, means forward, and she will just answer me. And when I give her power, she just have time for answer me. It's the same pattern like during the on-one dance, because you dance with natural flow of wave of song. Look, 8 and 2, 3, 4 and ake ku aka pa kutukum kum pa kutum kukum e pa tukutukum kum pa kutum kukum pa tukutukum kum pa kutum kukum
y nuestro amor es contigo, sabemos, pero es más fuerte el deseo que tenemos y esta atracción fatal.
I will switch 5 and 8, 2, 3 and E power. 2, 3, kukum, 6, kukum, pa, kukum, pa, kukum, da, 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 Okay, guys, thank you for this lesson. I hope so that you get it and you will be inspired. Thank you, Liana.